Hi, I'm AJ, and I'm an independent sales consultant for Norwex. Today I'm going to show you ways to save you time and money while cleaning your home with just water. And you're probably asking, how is that possible? One, with just the Envirocloth and the polishing cloth together, these are considered to be called the dynamic duo Bert and Ernie. The thing you're probably asking, what makes this cloth so special? Okay, this is a microfiber cloth that's been around for over 20 years. And what makes it unique, for something to be considered microfiber, has to be like your hair, split 1/6 of a time. These cloths are split 1/200. So that means there's more microfiber in this cloth than any other cloth. If this cloth was unraveled, it would stretch from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. That's how much microfiber is entwined in this cloth. Two, this cloth here, when you go over windows with this blue one, the Envirocloth, the polishing cloth will give it that streak-free shine. This will replace the glass cleaners. This will replace the wipes or any other thing that you use to disinfect your home, to clean. It cleans 99% of your home with just water, and it also traps 99.9% bacteria. And how to properly use this is that you wring it under cold water, rinse it out, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. And then you go over a surface just flat, and you're done. How to release it, you rinse this, when you're done, you rinse it under hot water, and wring it out and let it air dry for 24 hours. It has this tab, just hang it up. This is like a demonstration. When this is wet, it's like a hand, it's closed. It'll grab stuff and traps it in there. And when you run it under hot water, it releases it. Another thing about this cloth, it has silver embedded into it, which allows this cloth the self-purification elements. With this cloth here, if properly used and laundered, it will not smell. But if you do not hang this up and let it air dry for 24 hours, it will stink. So once again, just let it air dry for 24 hours when you're done, and then you can reuse it the next day. Do not use bleach, fabric softeners, or dryer sheets because it will coat the fibers and prevent this from working properly. So I will show you a demonstration on how to properly use this cloth. With this dirty mirror here, you get this one wet, like I said, it's wet. You keep it flat, go over your surfaces. And that will give it that streak-free shine. This will replace the window polish, like I said, the window things, solutions that leave streaks on your windows. And also this cloth here, it will replace Clorox wipes or any other disinfectants, and it cleans better than those products. For actually those products to work, if you read the back of the container, a surface has to be wet for 8 minutes. So if you buy 50 cloths in a container, you're going to use all those cloths up in one sitting because there's no way you're going to have that surface wet for 8 minutes without using extra cloths. So these two cloths are really good. Once again, this is called the Envirocloth, and this is called the polishing cloth. There's also a kid size too. This is the kids Envirocloth. And this is the kid polishing cloth. Together they do the same thing as the big ones. Another thing that goes together with this is the dusting mitt. You shake it to get the fibers to activate. Then you go over the surface, and once you're done, just shake it out, and you can reuse this. This is a microfiber product also. It's anti-backlot. And also you can spritz this to if you have window screens, you can spritz this and help to clean out your window screens. And also if you spritz this and if you have a grand piano, you can go over your grand piano also and clean that. And this one also comes in a kid size. Some women have small hands, and this would be a good size to also use if you have smaller hands. The Envirocloth also comes in a 4-pack. No, now it's a 5-pack of the minis, which you can always have handy if you need to use it. When you order this product, it'll come neatly packaged and it's set like this. This is called the basic package, and Norwex will ship it to you directly when you purchase this through a sales consultant, independent sales consultants business. This is called the basic package, like I said once again. And with this glove, it's called the household package. And these three would be a great place to start if you're wondering where to start cleaning your home. When you wash this cloth after a week or two, do not wash it with lengthy clothes, bleaches, or fabric softeners because it will void your warranty. Everything's guaranteed for 2 years. You have 60 days to try anything with a money-back guarantee. Norwex is a really great product. Don't leave home without these. It's a good investment. So, I'm going to end on that note. If you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment below because I'd love to hear what you think about the video and anything about Norwex. You guys have a blessed day. Thank you and goodbye.